All right, you guys, so I've got a little friend mail that I want to open up for you, and we're in a big hurry because you guys know that we're on our way out of town and getting things ready around here, but I did want to take a chance to open this up and take a look at it. I've got Bub here with me recording this because Miss Pat said, make sure I have Bub when we actually open the little box. So let's get on in here and see what we got. Oh, look at there what she has here. The most beautiful rose. Thank you so much for those kind words. Look how pretty that is. Now, did you put this together? Because that is super, super gorgeous. I absolutely love that. Yes. Those are very sweet words, Miss Pat. Thank you so much. And thank you for always watching and supporting the channel. That really does mean a lot to us. It certainly, certainly does. I appreciate that. And now let's see what's in the box. I love this beautiful gold ribbon. So very pretty. And looky here, the box, my favorite color. Oh my goodness, look right here on top. We've got some Skittles. What kind are these? Oh, Sweet Heat Skittles. But we're gonna have to try these together. I've never had the heat ones. Have you?
Me either.
Yeah, but you guys know I love Skittles, so thank you for that, Miss Pat. And check it out. Oh, I see some beautiful animal print. Loving it already. What we got down in here? Well, it's not wanting to cooperate with me. Look how gorgeous that is. That little keychain, or with the lobster claw, you could actually use it on anything, on a backpack or on a purse. Loving it. And my two favorite colors. The turquoise teal color with that beautiful hot pink / fuchsia. I absolutely love it. Love it. Love it so much. And we're going to have to see if we can't try these on camera. So give us just a second. Let's see what we can do. All right. So here we are. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, right? Mama look a little rough. But we're going to do this, Miss Pat, because we want to taste these. All right. So I'm going to give you a couple here. And I'm going to take a couple. You think 3's too many?
No.
Never had the hot ones. So let's just see what happens. Ready, set, go. I do love Skittles. Is yours hot yet? Mine's not hot yet. But it's good. Now I have a little heat. Are you getting the heat? Oh, I'm getting the heat. Yeah, it's like in the back of my throat.
Mine's just in my mouth.
Oh yeah, because I'm not a huge fan of hot stuff. Oh yeah. These are good though. Like I would eat the whole pack even though they're hot. You want some more? Yeah. All right. Let's see how many more is in here. Here, you take the third one, and I'll eat the last two. Those are good. If you like Skittles, I recommend them. Do you?
Recommended.
Very good. All right, so thank you, Miss Pat. Love these and love the little keychain. Thank you so much for thinking of our family. We truly, truly appreciate it. Much love to you, and I hope that you start feeling better very, very soon. On that note, I want to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you very soon. It's taking my breath away. That heat.
You're soft.
We'll see you later.